Yes, good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Cricket with Pavitra Naik. Hope you all are doing wonderful. As for the public demand, as for my cricket fans, everybody wants to know the batting techniques and batting skill of Manikant. So, without getting further delay, we are going to discuss the batting techniques that Manikant follows nowadays. That's the reason why he is so successful in terms of gully cricket, specific in gully cricket. As far as I know, he scored 5 century in red tennis ball as well as 5 century also in soft tennis ball and 7 century in Dews cricket ball. So wonderful achievement, Manikant. Once again, congratulations to you. So I am going to share some basic tips that Manikant follows on his batting style, so that he improves and improvises a lot in his batting skill. So let's start the key points when his batting is really tremendous and outstanding, specific in gully cricket in terms of tennis ball. So first one is he is very comfortable grip and stance. As you know, when Manikant's stance was very comfortable in his position, and the stance, when you stance very comfortable, it will easy to grip your bat so that you can play every corner shot in every ground. So that is the key point, is the first and foremost point for a good batsman. That's why that's the reason why he's being so successful. So the number two was the ball from the bowler's hands. Does not matter if you play the shot very earlier. That is the reason why the edge of the bat and your ball is going to the slip fielder. So Manikant, why Manikant is so successful? Because Manikant was the ball from the last moment when the ball is releasing from the bowler's end. He was the ball very careful and select the shot after releasing the ball from the bowler's hand. That is a very crucial factor when you batting. Number 3, move back and forward depending upon the length of pitch ball. You have to move. You have to decide whether you go for the punt foot or you can go for the bat foot depending upon the length of the ball. You can decide before delivering the ball. After judging the ball, if it is played in the bat foot or it is played on the front foot, it is depending upon the length of ball. But as for the length of the ball, you need to move back or you need to move forward. That is key point. Number 4, keep your balance on contact. Your eyes level, your hand-eye coordination is very important. That is the reason why Manikant is so successful. Your hand and eye coordination to the ball, and that's define whether you can play the back foot shot, whether you can play the punt foot drive, whether you can play the flick, pull, whatever shot you can like. So depending upon the hand-eye coordination plays a very crucial factor in the batting, specific in the batting style. So number 5, play as straight as you can. So what Manikant will do, basically, he always play the shot in the straight bat. If a batsman will play the shot in the straight bat, that is the reason why that is a very minimum chance that is the edge of the bat to the slip. So if you play the straight bat, there is a maximum possibility of a chance you can play the short cover drive, you can play the short straight dive or flick, whatever. So play as much as a shot into the straight bat so that you have become so successful in terms of batting line. So the last, not the least over here, I am going to explain you. Look the single and rotate the strike. Does not matter. Every ball does not hit the 6 or 4. You have to rotate the strike. You have to go for the singles and convert into double. And once you know how to rotate the strike, you will be able to play every shot. So look at the bat delivery. In the good delivery, you have to rotate the strike. That is the key factor why is the Manikant is so successful nowadays. So guys, these are the 7 basic points I am explaining to you why Manikant is so dangerous and outstanding batsman in terms of gully cricket. So thank you for keep watching me. If you want to add some more suggestion over here, you can give me comments in my description box link below. So thank you very much for keep watching me. So stay blessed. Thank you very much.